Hi, I'm Diana, a travel consultant and accommodation expert here at Kwezi Safaris. We help you find the perfect stay, from luxury lodges to charming eco camps.
And I am Paul, your travel consultant and experienced safari guide. At Koizi Safaris, we craft personalized adventures across Kenya, Tanzania, and Uganda with a deep passion for wildlife and culture.
We are certified for sustainability, work with trusted partners, and handle everything transfers, park permits, and accommodation. Whether it is your first safari or a return trip, we customize every detail.
If you love wildlife photography, we offer expert guided trips with ideal light and angles to capture giraffes, lions, leopards, and many more.
And yes, the big five are all here. Kwezi Safaris ensures close, respectful encounters in natural habitats.
We take you to iconic parks like Maasai Mara, Serengeti, Gorongoro, Amboseli, and Buindi impenetrable forest.
Each park has its own highlights, from open plains to rainforests filled with gorillas and rare birds.
And don't miss the Great Migration. Millions of wildebeest crossing the Mara River between July and October. It's just raw, powerful, and unforgettable.
Want something rare? Join our Black Panther photography safaris in Laikipia, where we track one of Africa's most elusive cats.
We also offer horseback safaris, ride through open savannas among giraffes and zebras. It's a thrilling, peaceful way to explore.
Experience real cultural immersion. Visit Maasai, Samburu, and Batwa communities. Join traditional dances and learn from elders.
Love food? You can cook African dishes with local chefs from Ugandan stews, Nairobi's nyama choma, to coastal Swahili flavors.
For a different view,